How to import beats to BandLab's tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can go ahead and import your own beats in the BandLab website. And so the first thing that you want to do is to head over to your account right here, and inside you can just go ahead and click on the create button. From there, you can then go ahead and either select the new project button or this song starter if you want to generate an idea with AI. In my case, I'll just go ahead and create a blank project right here, wait for this to load, and right after, to go ahead and import your beats to your BandLab, all you have to do is to basically drop a loop or an audio on the canvas right here. So as an example, let's go ahead and use this file right here. Just go ahead and drag your beat from your file or folder to the BandLab website, and from there you will be able to use that to import your beats. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.